Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video we're going to talk about disabling a mailbox. Now, admins tend to get confused with disabling and deleting. Now, what does disable do? Disable basically removes the Exchange attributes from a mailbox but leaves the user intact. Deleting a mailbox removes both the user account and the mailbox, but in this video we're focusing on disabling a user's mailbox. Now, there's two ways that you can do this. You can do this from the ESC or from the management shell. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you under recipients, mailboxes, user 1. I can click on the three buttons here, sorry, the three dots, and click disable. Or I can go to PowerShell and I can go disable mailbox user 1. As you can see, it'll ask me to confirm, and yes. So now if I go do a refresh, you can see that user 1 is now gone. If we go to Active Directory and we check, user 1 is still here because we just disabled the mailbox. So that is how simple it is to disable a mailbox. Now, you might disable a mailbox because of HR reasons, or the user is leaving, so you just want to disable access to Outlook, and obviously you can reattach to the mailbox with another account, etc. And that is disable mailboxes. Thank you very much for watching.